Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 easy ways to curl the ends of your braid like a pro, whether you're at home or on a budget or just feeling creative. So I'm going to start off the braid by securing the ends just like that. After braiding it, you want to make sure you neatly secure the ends of your braid and then you tie it. So the four method we're going to be talking about is first of all the thread method, and then I'm going to be showing you flexi rod, and then I'm going to be showing you how to use these plastic spiral coils. So starting off, we're going to start by using the thread. So again, we're going to secure the beginning of the coil. Make sure you tie it gently and carefully. Make sure you secure it very tightly, and then when we get done securing it, I'm going to take the thread and then around it I'll start twisting it around. Just wrap them together, secure it so that it doesn't come losing. And then this is my favorite actually. So this is also this coil is also made with flexi rod. So how this one is done is you're going to place it flat on the flexi rod, and then just like this, when you place it flat, this one you're not going to be twisting it, you're going to be wrapping it around while laying it flat on the flexi rod. Make sure you're laying it flat, and before you start this process you would like to comb the hair out more to make sure there's no tangle. So you keep doing it, you just do it, you lay it flat and then you wrap it around also till the end and the hair finishes. And when you're done, you're just going to secure the flexi rod to make sure it doesn't come out. So when you're done, this is what it should look like. And I like to trim mine. Yes, I like to trim mine to remove all those flyaways and make sure my coils come out looking neat. Then I boil my water, and just the way you do your normal, the way you pour hot water on your hair, that's just how you're going to pour it. Make sure the water is hot. And then I'm just going to pour it. Then when I pour it, dry it. You might want to leave it to air dry because I left mine after drying, patting the water out a little bit. I left mine for a couple of minutes to air dry. This way the coil will last longer. So I left it for a couple of minutes and then came back later to unravel the coil. So this is the first flexi rod we used, the one we did tight. So this is what it looks like. And then this is the one I said you lay flat. As you can see, the coils look different. If you can see the way this one is looking different from the first coil. And then this is the spiral coil. This one looks more tight, more firm, and more together than the previous ones. And then this one is the thread method. This one is like the tightest. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to apply my oil sheen and I'm going to rub in my hair mousse. And this is what it should look like. And these are the four coils. These are the two flexi rods that I use. Which coil method are you going to be trying first? Comment below and let me know. Let me know in the comment section which method gave you the best coil. And if you want more tutorials like this, check out my French coil braids video next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.